In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that many of us can relate to: hair fall. Whether you're dealing with a few extra strands in the shower or noticing thinning areas, we've got you covered. Stick around as we explore 8 effective ways to put a stop to hair fall and promote healthy, luscious locks. Let's get started. Tip 1. Nourish from within. A balanced diet. It all begins from within, and your hair's health is no exception. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins can work wonders for your hair. Incorporate leafy greens, berries, nuts, and lean proteins into your meals. These nutrients provide the building blocks your hair needs to thrive. Tip 2. Gentle hair care routine. Say goodbye to harsh hair care products that strip your strands of their natural oils. Opt for sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners to cleanse without causing damage. And remember, resist the temptation to vigorously towel dry. Gently pat your hair dry to avoid unnecessary breakage. Tip 3. Regular scalp massage. Give yourself a little TLC by indulging in regular scalp massages. Use nourishing oils like coconut, argan, or jojoba and gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. This not only improves blood circulation but also helps distribute natural oils, keeping your scalp and hair happy. Tip 4. Stress management. Stress can take a toll on your hair's health too. Engage in stress-relieving activities like yoga, meditation, or even taking a leisurely walk. When you manage stress, you're creating a positive environment for your hair to flourish. Tip 5. Choose the right hair accessories. Believe it or not, the way you style your hair can impact its health. Opt for hair accessories that don't pull or strain your hair excessively. Avoid tight hairstyles that put stress on your roots, and let your hair breathe whenever possible. Tip 6. Hydration is key. Hydration isn't just important for your skin, it's crucial for your hair too. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your hair hydrated and prevent it from becoming brittle. Tip 7. Essential oils for hair health. Nature has some incredible remedies for us, and essential oils are one of them. Essential oils like rosemary, peppermint, and lavender can stimulate hair growth and improve overall hair health. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and apply to your scalp for a nourishing treatment. Tip 8. Quality sleep and pillowcases. Let's talk about beauty sleep. Your hair regenerates while you sleep, so aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. To further protect your hair, consider using a silk pillowcase. It reduces friction and prevents breakage. There you have it: 8 effective ways to combat hair fall and restore your hair's natural vitality. Remember, consistency is key, and taking care of your hair is a wonderful act of self-love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, take care and embrace your unique beauty. Stay connected with us on social media for more beauty tips, self-care inspiration, and empowering content. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos by hitting that notification bell.